Just going to start the program. So, Andariki Namaskaram, Yellarigu Namaskaram. Namaskar everybody. A very good evening. I extend a very warm welcome to all of you in the 6 days of program on teaching, testing and evaluation for Kannada and Telugu language teachers of NVS. From NVS Rangareddy, we have Dr. Gopal Krishna sir online with us. Sir, a special welcome to you for joining this program, for joining this session. And
thank you, Udviji ji. It's our pleasure to be associated with this meeting.
Thank you, sir. And as everybody knows that in the 6 days of this program of your respective language, that is Kannada and Telugu, I tend to believe that you all must have learned various important things related to teaching, testing, evaluation, components of literature, components of language, and several things related to technology, information communication technologies, tools and softwares which are used in designing the softwares. We together call it natural language processing softwares. And we must also have learned other things related to your teaching, like how to teach vocabulary, how to teach grammar, and the basic linguistic skills, listening, reading, writing, these kind of things. And various strategies related to learning of a language as well as teaching of a language. Apart from that, one very important component which was added by your Honorable Commissioner, that is the culture of your respective language, of your respective land. So, like what's the literature, what's the culture of that area and land. So this is what I believe. And the most important part which we do, like by the end of the program in the last 2 days, that is how to frame the balanced and the proper question items so that you can assess your learner properly. So as I have been informed that you all are doing very good, and just within 24 hours, together you people have inputted about 2,000 question items in total, just within 24 hours, because yesterday we started and today like almost 2,000 question items are already in our database. So that is what reflects the hard work and the dedication of you teacher. And it's very important, it's very good. And I'm sure that at least some of you will remember that in the first day of our program, I also told that like we added Kannada and Telugu as 2 of the main languages in our NTS component. And these 2 languages are the fastest growing languages in our database. So we are amazed to see the kind of hard work that teachers and the researchers who are engaged in the teaching and learning of Telugu, or the Telugu scholars in general. They are so hardworking, they are so dedicated. So, a special thanks to all of you. And you have all been very nice. I've been reading all of your WhatsApp conversation, your comments here, and the kind of feedback you people have been providing. So it has been very nice. And I'm sure this program is going to be very much beneficial for you all. I will invite the feedback by the end of this session, one by one. But before I think I start report to the audience in detail, now I would like to invite Dr. Manjunatha to read the report before the audience in detail for Kannada language.
ಈ ಸಮಾರಂಭಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಈ 6 ದಿನದ ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಾರ್ಯಾಗಾರವು 1ನೇ ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿಯಿಂದ 6ನೇ ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿಗೆ ನಡೆಯಿತು. ಒಟ್ಟು 20 ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಗಳು ನಡೆದಿದ್ದು, 4 ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಸೆಷನ್ಗಳು ನಡೆದು ಒಟ್ಟು 99 ಶಿಬಿರಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿದ್ದು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ 1400 ಪ್ರಶ್ನಾಂಶಗಳನ್ನ ರಚಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 20 ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಗಳು ನಡೆದಿದ್ದು 4 ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಸೆಷನ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿಬಿರಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿದ್ರು ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಉತ್ಸುಕರಾಗಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದಕ್ಕೆ ಖಂಡಿತ ನನಗೆ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಮತ್ತು NTS ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ್ಯಾಗಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆ ಯಶೋಧರ, ಉಮಾರಾಣಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಶ್ರದ್ಧಾ ಮೇಡಮ್, ನಾಗಣ್ಣ ಅವರು, ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀನಾರಾಯಣ್ ಅರೋರ, ಮುರುಗೆಪ್ಪ, ಶೇಖರ್, ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ರಾಜಗೋಪಾಲ್, RV ಸುಂದರಂ ಸರ್, ಸಂಗಮೇಶ್ ಸವದತ್ತಿ ಮಠ, ಮತ್ತೆ CR ಆದಿತ್ಯ ಮತ್ತೆ ಶ್ರದ್ಧಾರ್ ಅವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತಹ ತಾಂತ್ರಿಕದ ತರಗತಿಗಳು ತುಂಬಾ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ RG ಗೋಪಾಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಶೇಖರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ತರಗತಿಗಳು, ಎಲ್ಲ ತರಬೇತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಿಬಿರಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ತುಂಬಾ ಅಚ್ಚುಕಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ನನಗೂ ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಯ್ತು. ನನಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷದ ವಿಚಾರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಾನಮಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ ಬೀರೇಶ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ತರಗತಿ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ನೂ ಸಂತೋಷದ ವಿಚಾರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೇವಲ ಒಂದು ದಿನದ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡದ 99 ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಕರ ಅಥವಾ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಏನಿದ್ದಾರೆ 1400 ಪ್ರಶ್ನಾಂಶಗಳನ್ನು ಆಗದೆ ರಚಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಮ್ಮಿ 6 ರಿಂದ 7 ಸಾವಿರ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ ತೆಕ್ಕೆಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ದತ್ತಾಂಶ ಸಂಗ್ರಹಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಉತ್ಸಾಹದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತೇನೆ ಸರ್. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಸರ್.
Thank you, Dr. Manjunath, for reading out the detailed report to the audience. I see, like when we started this program, let me get back to the history a little bit. We started this training program with the Malayalam language. Then we did it for Marathi, and then we did for Kannada and Telugu. In the beginning, I thought as a program coordinator, because the Malayalam teachers were so excellent and they started writing the question items, and we were so amazed. And then came the Marathi teachers, and we thought that this record would not be broken. Then the Marathi teachers came and they broke the record of inputting the question items in their own language. And then we thought it's a new record and it will not get broken. Now when you teachers have came up, you have broken all of their records in the number of question items that has been inputted in 24 hours. So this tells me one thing, that how hardworking the teachers are. Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti, they are all so dedicated, and they are all ready to put in harder efforts than the previous batch. So it's so much good to know. And I also one thing would like to acknowledge for all of you teachers, that in this COVID time, when everything suddenly came up online, and all of you are not so comfortable using the technology, especially teaching online or learning online. I myself am not. Despite of the fact I'm very much comfortable with the technology, but when it comes to the teaching and learning through online media, I was not so comfortable. So I can understand the problems of you all. Sitting in the different parts of the country, remotest part of the India, and adjusting your webcam, adjusting your mic, and finding the network connection, and so many things that you have to together do. I can see from your screen that some of you are attending it from your schools, some of you are attending it from your home, and it must have caused a lot of inconvenience to you all. But still, you people, showed your dedication, put up your hard work, and because of this program tends to be successfully completed. So I think my hats off to all of you. You people have been so wonderful, so patient. Because your patience, without your patience, without your hard work, the successful completion of this program would never have been possible. So salute to all of you teachers, and thank you so much for being here. And now, in order to know the focus feedback towards the program, I would request 3 teachers, 3 from Kannada, 3 from Telugu, to give their feedback. But it will not be direct feedback. First of all, you have to raise your hands in the Google Meet. Like if you want to say something in the end of the program, so there's a raise hand option. You use that, and then Dr. Manjunath or Dr. Narayan Reddy will moderate, will take up the questions or take up the feedback or take up the response, will take up the criticism or the appreciation for the program from 3 of you. Please understand, it is not possible for us to take everybody's response into account, because there are so many people would be raising their hands. So we will be taking 3 from each language. Kannada teachers, to click on the raise hand icon given on the Google Meet, so that Dr. Manjunatha can invite the feedback from you. Kannada teachers, please raise your hands through the raise hand icon, and then I will request Dr. Manjunatha to invite questions from the people who are interested, Kannada teachers. Dr. Manjunatha.
DB Chitta sir.
Sir.
ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಸರ್.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಮ್ಮ ತೆಲುಗು ಸಹೋದರ ಸಹೋದರಿಯರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. ಗೋಪಾಲ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಸಾಹೇಬರಿಗೂ, ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಸಮಸ್ತ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿ ವರ್ಗದವರಿಗೂ, ಭಾರತೀಯ ಭಾಷಾ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಮೈಸೂರು ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಮಸ್ತ ಗುರುವೃಂದಕ್ಕೂ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಗಳಿಗೂ ಶುಭ ಸಂಜೆ. ನಿಜಕ್ಕೂ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಸಂತೋಷದ ವಿಚಾರ ಇದು. ನಮಗೆ 20 ವರ್ಷದ ನಂತರ ಪ್ರಾದೇಶಿಕ ಭಾಷಾ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೆ ಇಂಥದ್ದೊಂದು ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದ ತರಬೇತಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮ ಸುದೈವ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಭಾವಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಒಬ್ಬ ಆಸಕ್ತಿಯುಳ್ಳ, ಅಭಿರುಚಿಯುಳ್ಳ, ಅಭಿಮಾನವುಳ್ಳ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಮುಖ್ಯ ಹುದ್ದೆಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತದೆ, ಎಂತೆಂಥ ಲಾಭಗಳು ಸಿಗುತ್ತವೆ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವೇ ಒಂದು ಉದಾಹರಣೆಯಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಭಾವಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ಶ್ರೀ ಗೋಪಾಲಕೃಷ್ಣ ಸಾಹೇಬರು ಕನ್ನಡ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮತ್ತು ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರಿಗೆ ಅವರ ಮೇಲಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅಪಾರವಾದ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಈ ತರಬೇತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಕಾಣಸಿಗುತ್ತದೆ. ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುವಂತ ವಿಚಾರ, ರಾಮಚಂದ್ರ ಸಾಹೇಬರು ಡಿ ಸಿ ಇರುವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಮೊದಲು ಇಂಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ದೇವರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಸಾಹೇಬರು ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಎರಡನೇ ಇಂಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಅದ್ಭುತ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಂತೇನೆ ಗೋಪಾಲಕೃಷ್ಣ ಸಾಹೇಬರು ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ದುರ್ನೆತ್ತ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ನೇತೃತ್ವ ವಹಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಾಗ ನಮಗಿದು ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನನಗೆ. ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಭಾರತದ ಭಾಷೆಯಿಂದ ಮೇಲೆದ್ದು ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ಈ ಧುರಿಣತ್ವ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ನೇತೃತ್ವ ವಹಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಾಗಲೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾಷೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಗೌರವ, ನಮ್ಮಗಳಿಗೆ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿಯಾದ ವಿಚಾರ. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದ ವಿಚಾರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಆರಂಭದಿಂದಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥಿತವಾಗಿ ಈ ತರಬೇತಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಆಯೋಜನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಒಂದು ಗುಂಪಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಿಸೋದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸೂಕ್ತವಾದ ಸಲಹೆ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತರಬೇತಿಗಾಗಿ ನಮಗಾಗಿ ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳು ತುಂಬಾ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿದ್ರು. ವಿಷ್ಣುಮೂರ್ತಿ ಸರ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ, ಆರ್ ಜಿ ಗೋಪಾಲ್ ಸರ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ, ಶ್ರದ್ಧಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರಾಗ್ಲಿ, ನಮಗೆ ಇವರೆಲ್ಲರ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ, ಸಹಾಯ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲತೆಯನ್ನು ವೃದ್ಧಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಇವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಹಾಯ ನಿಜಕ್ಕೂ ಸ್ಮರಣೀಯವಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಭಾವಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ವೃಂದದವರು 5 ಗಂಟೆಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಕಾಲ ಪ್ರತಿನಿತ್ಯ ಈ ತರಬೇತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಡಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಒಂದು ಐಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಅಂದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು, ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಷದ ಚಳಿ ಬಿಡಿಸಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಈ ತರಬೇತಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ಸದೃಢಗೊಳಿಸಿದೆ, ಸಬಲರನ್ನಾಗಿಸಿದೆ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ವೃತ್ತಿ ನಿರ್ವಹಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಿ ಮುನ್ನುಗ್ಗುವ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ತಕ್ಕ ಮಟ್ಟಿನ ತರಬೇತಿಯನ್ನ ಈ ತರಬೇತಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನಮಗೆ ನೀಡಿದೆ. ಈ 6 ದಿನಗಳ ತರಬೇತಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ NTS ತಂಡದ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ಸರ್ ನೇತೃತ್ವದ ಅನೇಕ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿ ವರ್ಗಗಳ ತೋರಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಹಕಾರ, ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ, ಅವರ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯುತವಾದ ವ್ಯವಹಾರ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಹಿಡಿಸಿದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಕೋಪಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಾರಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಸಲಹೆ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಲ್ಪ ಸಾಧನೆನೇ ಅಮೋಘ ಸಾಧನೆ ಅಂತ ಬಿಂಬಿಸ್ತಾ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ಹುರಿದುಂಬಿಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅವರ ರೀತಿ ನಿಜಕ್ಕೂ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಿಬಿರಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಪರವಾಗಿ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಧುರಿಣತ್ವ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ನೇತೃತ್ವ ವಹಿಸಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಉಪಾಯುಕ್ತ ಶ್ರೀ ಗೋಪಾಲಕೃಷ್ಣ ಸಾಹೇಬರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ವಂದಿಸ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಈ 4 ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ.
ಸರ್ ಪರಸಪ್ಪ ಸರ್.
ನನ್ನ ಮಾತೃಭಾಷೆ, ನನ್ನ ಅಣ್ಣದ ಭಾಷೆ ಯಾರಂತಹ ಕನ್ನಡ ಭಾಷೆಗೆ ವಂದಿಸುತ್ತಾ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾತೃಭಾಷೆಯ ಮೂಲಕವೇ ನಾವಿಂದು ನವೋದಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಉದ್ಯೋಗ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ತರಬೇತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ಗೋಪಾಲಕೃಷ್ಣ ಸರ್ ಅವರ ಮುಂದಾಳತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್. ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಆಲ್. ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ Pankaj Dwivedi sir, team NTS, and all NVS dignitaries, including our Honorable Gopal Krishna sir. So, after my first, from my first appointment at JP Nagar, I'm feeling proud to have such a wonderful training. It's my first training. I'm feeling like I felt like physical training it was. What a team, ಏನ್ ಟೀಮ್ ರೀ NTS and CIL ನಿಮ್ದು. What a cooperation, ಏನ್ ಸಹಕಾರ ಕೊಟ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ. Wonderful. Manjunath sir, Raghavan sir, Pradeep sir, and Pankaj Dwivedi sir. Whenever we needed the help, you have helped in a maximum way, in all the way. Yesterday also, Manjunath sir and Raghavan sir suggested and helped us till midnight. So such a wonderful team we had at our sessions. Especially I would like to thanks to my officers, Gopal Krishna sir. Gopal Krishna sir, it's a second help from me. First one, last year when I was in trouble to get admission for my daughter in Karnataka, sir, when I contacted sir, Gopal Krishna sir suddenly helped me, and we got the admission at JNU Belagavi to my daughter. Again, I would like to submit my sincere congratulations to you sir. Apart from our NVS staff and authorities, I would like to congratulate Dr. Pankaj Dwivedi sir for your wonderful teamwork and helping nature. Congratulations sir, because whenever we required the help, you have helped us in the maximum way with patience. What a wonderful team we had in our sessions. Great personalities, lectures, well-known researchers, well-known grammar experts. What a team, NTS. Especially I'd like to congratulate Raghavan sir, Manjunath sir again, because from today, from morning to till evening, we faced many problems regarding the inputting of questions. All the staff of that CIL NTS team, under the guidance of Raghavan sir and Manjunath sir, the leadership of Pankaj Dwivedi sir, they have helped in a maximum way. So again, I would like to congratulate to you all. Sir, my humble request from yesterday, I faced many network issues. Because of that, I failed to submit more questions due to network issues. Today also, now I am sitting in front of my quarters outside due to network problem. So if I would like to request the NTS and other authorities to extend the question submit date. If you will allow to, if you will allow another 1 or 2 days, we can give more questions to you. With these words, it's my first experience as a training. I'm feeling really like physical training. And again, I would like to request our DC sir, Gopal Krishna sir. Sir, we are requesting you to arrange the induction course, because we didn't have that till now. It's also required. If you arrange that induction course, we will be grateful to you. So with these words, again, I'd like to congratulate all the dignitaries of composite teams, Team NVS, CIL, NTS, and all my Telugu and Kannada teachers and brothers and sisters. Thank you. Thank you all, one and all.
Thank you.
With these words, I want to conclude my speech. Jai Bharat.
Anil S. Gowda.
Thank you, sir.
Anil S. Gowda.
ಸರ್, ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್, ಶುಭ ಸಂಜೆ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ. ಸರ್, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಮಾತೃಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಭಾಷೆಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿದ್ರಿಂದ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ನಾನು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯ ದೌರ್ಭಾಗ್ಯ ಆಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು, ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾರಣದಿಂದ.
ಅನಿಲ್, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾತಾಡಿ.
ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್.
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಸರ್.
Okay, sir. Okay. Sir, all the dignitaries, organizers and participants ಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ತುಂಬಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್, ಈ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅನ್ ಓಷನ್, ಇದು ಸಾಗರ ಇದ್ದಂತೆ. ಆ ಸಾಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಈಜ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸರ್ಸ್. ಆ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಈ ಸಾಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಈಜುವಂತದ್ದು ಅಷ್ಟು ಸರಳವಾದಂತಹ ವಿಚಾರ ಅಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟೇ ವರ್ಷ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ, ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ, ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ರಿಫ್ರೆಶ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಆ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ನ ಬ್ರಷ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಪರಿಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಈ ನವೋದಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯಗಳು ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಮೋಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಚುಯೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಈ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸರ್ವೇ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಕಾರಣದಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟೇ 90% ಎಫರ್ಟ್, 99%, 100% ಎಫರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಸಮ್ವೇರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಗಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಹೈಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ COVID-19 ಸಿಚುಯೇಷನ್ ಸರಿ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ದಯಮಾಡಿ ಫೇಸ್ ಟು ಫೇಸ್ ಮೂಡ್, ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಮೂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ನ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಈ ಮೂಲಕ DC ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರನ್ನ ನಾನು ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಮಾತಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಲರ್ನ್ಡ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್.
Hello, sir.
Teachers, and one common thing which has come to my notice that many of them want a physical training at CIL Mysore. So let me inform to all my dear teacher participants that usually we conduct only in-house training, only face-to-face training only for the teachers, university teachers, college teachers, school teachers, as well as the research scholars and the postdoctoral scholars. We invite them from all across India, and then we train them, and then we have far intense discussions and far intense, lectures, then fightings, then argument, then the modifications, then assessment of the question item that teachers prepared, then lot of discussion over it. But as you already know, it is not possible in these times. In this such a time, all kind of trainings have been either converted into online mode or have been put on hold. So when the NVS approached us for organizing a training program for their language teachers, so the only option we had to host it online. Otherwise, the NVS itself wanted our teachers to come to CIL Mysore and get trained in person by the experts. But this time it was only possible through online mode. We'll be very much happy. We'll be very, very much happy if we can invite some of you, and if possible, all of you, in few batches and train you, in depth about in detail. We have some intensive training program as well. This was general in nature, with the teaching techniques and methodologies in the area of testing and evaluation, keeping language education in the focus. So of course we'll do that. And I have also been able to follow the kind of feedback you people have been giving. Though I don't understand the Telugu and Kannada, but with my interaction to the teachers in the last few years, I have been able to follow up. So most of you have said very nice things about the teachers, about the lectures, about the content. So my thank you to all of you. And who can understand better than the teachers who have so much of experience? And as I said, I can see some of you are attending this session from outside. I can see the trees and the buildings, and from remote locations, as somebody mentioned. This is why I said this was more challenging for you in terms of the normal regular sessions, because despite of so many challenges, network issues, internet issues, and issues related to technology, you people put your all hard work and came to came to receive this training. And I'm sure that the kind of learning you people have inculcated in this last 6 days, you will be able to reflect it in your classroom teaching, and you will also share it with your fellow teachers. And I am very much confident of that. And you will also be, utilizing these techniques in your classroom. So thank you so much. I think now it is time to invite Shri Gopal Krishna ji for his closing remarks. Gopal ji, can you hear me?
Yeah, Dwivedi ji.
Over to you, please. Over to you, please.
Thank you so much, Dwivedi ji. Most respect respected Dr. Pankaj Dwivedi, office in charge, and the director, Professor C. Venkatesh Murthy Garu, the resource persons for Kannada and Telugu, Dr. Manjunath ji and Narayan Reddy ji, and most beloved teachers and the technical team of NTS. It's a wonderful experience for us to facilitate this program through Navodaya Leadership Institute, Rangareddy. And I also wish to pay my respect to Mr. Aziz Ahmad, the coordinator NLI, who has done a yeoman service in connecting the teachers with training institute. It is an amazing experience to listen to the feedback both from the resource persons of these two language training programs and the participants. The feedback that has been given by Mr. Uma Maheshwar Rao, JNV Korea, Mr. Tilak, JNV Rangareddy, U. Srinivas Rao, and I think SR Srinivas tried from Adilabad, but due to technical reasons, he dropped. And the comprehensive report provided by Mr. D.B. Chitta, JNV Alirajpur, Parasappa, and Anil S. Gowda. This feedback, Dwivedi sir, I'm sure you would have followed most part of it, that depicts the intensity with which the participants have engaged themselves in the activities conducted by the resource persons, and also the in-depth knowledge, experience, and expertise, and the commitment of the resource persons. The words they have used for both Narayan Reddy and Manjunath ji, it's so amazing, so inspiring. You people at NTS and CIL, you have not only conducted the training program for the capacity building of the language teachers, you also have demonstrated a model like how one should get engaged with the learners. What it means by learner-centric approach. What are the different aspects of being part of learner-centric approach. Hats up to all of you, sir, for having organized such a wonderful training program. And especially, I would like to place it before you that the regional language teachers in Navodaya system are the backbone of this system in promoting the integrity, harmony, peace, and happiness on the school campus. Emotional and social intelligence promotion and integrating them with cognitive development. These people do a wonderful job. To believe it, you have to visit some of the JNV, sir, and I wish that in the days to come, all of you have to visit some of the JNVs to see the wonderful work that is being done by the regional language teachers. You call it experiential teaching, you call it child-centered teaching, you call it teaching through joyful measures, you call it situational teaching, you call it project-based teaching, you call it teaching through poetry, teaching through life. All that they have done, so much of experiments. You can see the documents made by some of these teachers, which will endorse as an evidence for their quality teaching. And sir, I also wish to place before you that these regional language teachers who are posted in the migration linkage JNVs, they play a very important role in teaching, in transmitting, in creating a harmonious environment in the that JNV, which is thousands of kilometers away from the parent JNV. So your training inputs will go a long way, Pankajji, and it's only a beginning. And our sincere respects and gratitude to our Honorable Commissioner, who has given a lot of importance to this program. And he also has envisioned that regional languages have to be given due importance. And he also has had a very elaborate discussion with Director Sir, Professor Venkatesh Murthy, that we have to come together to create a better platform, more productive platform, more meaningful platform, more fruitful kind of means to promote these languages by taking cue from the emphasis made in the new education policy. I think you also would agree with me that in the entire country, we are the forerunners. By taking the cue from NEP 2020, we have arranged this training program for the language teachers to show them you are the torchbearers, you are the forerunners, and you are the path makers, and be with the system. And now you are trained, go back and discuss these things with the fellow teachers to show them like how the teachers have to work together and how the language teachers have to work with the creative staff, to work with the other subject teachers, so that the learning environment in the school will be turned into a joyful experience for the children. And the language teachers also, as the dream of our Honorable Commissioner, they play a very important role in connecting the learners with the culture, the food habits, the festivals, the art, the technology, everything that is present in the geographical location wherever they are teaching. And I think they are already doing a great job, sir. Especially the language teachers in this part of the country, they have created their own centers of excellence in their respective subjects. You will find 7th class, 8th class children being, formed into groups and creating poetry, writing creative stories, sharing with them, documenting them, showing them for the parents. It's a happening place. JNV is a happening place. And that happening place is created by these language teachers. And the way they collaborate with the parents, the community, the district administration. Special thanks to the language teachers of Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti, and they are doing a wonderful job. And within short time, just see how much interest they have to get connected with the digitalization process, and getting connected with the computers, and all of them are expressing high degree of happiness. And the credit goes to NTS and CAL, and we are always indebted to you, Pankaj sir. The way you respond, the way you come forward to support, the way you attend our calls, all that speaks volumes about your professional commitment and the deep desire to promote quality education in the rural areas of our country. And the service to Navodaya teachers is service to the country, and service especially to the rural talent of the country. So I take this opportunity to thank everyone who is present here, and special thanks to the technical team of NTS Raghavan and his group. They have done a wonderful job. And we know why we are finding so excited to interact with you is we find a lot of similarity between the Navodaya culture and CAL and NTS culture. For us, the moment we are given some assignment, we don't think about anything else. We get continuously engaged in it. Sometimes in the middle of the night, 11 o'clock, 11:30, 12 o'clock also, we find teachers writing the questions and asking the other members to help them, and so on and so forth. And special thanks to Uma Maheshwar Rao and Dorai Raj and Venugopal Tilak and one more, I think Srinivas Rao or somebody, who have brought out daily reports session wise by taking the support from other members. It has become a document in itself. Very extensive report has been created on every session of the training program. So you also have made such a scientific system of the training program. That is, you have introduced the concept, then you have you have laid out the learning objectives, then you have also have identified the learning outcomes, and then you have given them practice in preparing the questions. Dear teachers, please take it from me that if you can create a minimum of 50 questions and more, and you are going to be master in your subject, because framing a question gives you a holistic revision and review of the entire methodology that is involved, the pedagogy, and all those things which are involved in teaching of the subject. So I request all of you, don't limit yourself to 50 questions. I expect more than 50, even 100. Most of you are capable of writing even 100 and odd questions. And you know, this is going to be a permanent part of the repository of NTS. And these questions are going to be benefit thousands and thousands of language teachers across the country. So I request all of you to take extra interest and see that we produce the best quality questions to enrich the repository of NTS. Thank you very much, Vedi sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for your kind words. And I completely agree with each and every word which you have put. And like the Honorable Commissioner himself mentioned, and you also restated it today, that formed the backbone of this migration program of the NVS. And like you said that I should go to the GenV and see that how hardworking the teachers are. Let me take opportunity to inform you that I have already visited some of the GenVs and I have met with the students, and their students are so good, and it is an evidence that how great the teachers will be. I interacted with them, and you know, students are so nice, and this reflects the hard work that is being put by the NVS teachers. And I don't say it only about the language teachers, about all the teachers. All the teachers have been putting so much of effort, and it's very much evident. And I am sure that we are together going to go a long way from here. It will not just be the end of the program. We will keep learning. The CIL will keep learning its language resources with the NVS teachers, and NVS teachers will keep sharing their classroom insights with the NVS. And together we will grow. Together we will excel this field. There is also, thank you so much for your kind words, sir. There is one request which I have found from some of the teachers. They have just said, please extend the little bit of time for inputting the question items. So I am happy to inform that the link will at least be open for the 15 days. But it does not mean it is open for 15 days, so you have to wait for the last day to input the question. So that is not the thing. So you have to try inputting the question as many questions as you could. That is for your own good, and that is also for our mutual good. Somebody in the, some people in the Marathi group have crossed 100 questions. So now that you have already broken the 24 hours of record, I will also request you to break this record as well. So at least if 10% teachers from the Kannada and the Telugu group can break this record, so probably you will be ahead of both the groups. And there will also be the mutual competition among two groups, Kannada group and Telugu group. And this is a healthy competition. This is a healthy competition. So I am sure that you will be try breaking up each one another's record. So I am just waiting for that. And one thing which I must not forget before the closing of this program, that Gopal sir has been extremely active and extremely supportive in the conduct of this program. Like all the teachers, like those who got the opportunity to provide the feedback, they said that he is a true guide. So I can tell you that before I even every day during this program, before I could even reach the office, there would at least be either message or call from Gopal sir, how about the programs or how it is going, and if you need any support, if you need any guidance, I'm 24 hours online and every day. So before the beginning of the program, before the end of the and after the end of the program, we'll talk and we'll decide the strategies. So he has been an essential part in the smooth conduct as well as the execution of the program. So sir, my heartfelt thanks to you as well, regards to you, and without your support this program would never have been possible. It's such a successful education would never have been possible. So I would like to convey my thanks from the side of NTS and CIL to you. And of course the thanks are anyway due to the teachers, that will be conveyed by somebody else. So thank you so much sir for being with us here today. And now I would like to request Muhammad Aziz ji. Muhammad Aziz ji, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, sir.
I would like to request Muhammad Aziz ji, who has been with us since the beginning of the Malayalam program, the first program for the language teachers till now, and he has also been, observing it 24/7. Like you see the NTS team, he has also been observing and coordinating it from the end of the NLI Rangareddy. So he has been very valuable to us. So Muhammad Aziz ji. So thank you so much. And now I would request you to propose a vote of thanks to our teachers and to others who have been involved in the conduct and the execution of the program. Muhammad Aziz ji, over to you, please.
Thank you very much, Dr. Pankaj ji, for having given me this opportunity to propose vote of thanks today on behalf of Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti. Honorable Professor C.G. Venkatesha Murthy, Director, CIIL, Dr. Pankaj Dwivedi, Officer in Charge and Program Coordinator, NTS India, CIIL Mysore, Shri T. Gopalakrishna, Deputy Commissioner, Navodaya Leadership Institute, Rangareddy, Dr. Narayan Reddy Garu, Dr. Manjunatha, all the honorable faculty members from CIIL Mysore, members of technical staff, and dear participants, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti Noida, I take this opportunity to extend my deep sense of gratitude to you all for making these online training programs a grand success. In fact, the online training program on teaching, testing, and evaluation for the Kannada and Telugu teachers have been very effective, as we could gauge based on the feedback of the training who are highly resourceful, experienced, and highly qualified. They made the sessions more interesting, vibrant, and interactive by their resourceful interactions with our participants. For this, we are extremely thankful to all the faculty members and technical staff of CIIL Mysore. Without their cooperation, this program would have not been a success. The sessions on framing of questions on the web portal of NTS, that is the National Testing Service, were activity oriented, and doubts pertaining to the technical aspects were very nicely clarified and dealt by the technical team and the resource persons, for which they are really deserve to be applauded. Specifically, I am teacher such an excellent opportunity to undergo an effective online training in collaboration with CIIL Mysore. So under his patronage and able visionary leadership, we are marching confidently in the right direction to realize our goal. So we are extremely thankful to our Honorable Commissioner. We are also thankful to Shri Gyanendra Kumar, Deputy Commissioner Training NVS Headquarters, for his able guidance and support that we have been getting right from the beginning, not only during these online courses, but also for a lot many online courses and other offline courses that we have been conducting early, right from the beginning. Thank you very much, sir. So sir is not, of course, available here. So he has really provided, he also contributed a lot in providing the language teachers such an excellent opportunity to undergo such effectively conducted online training program, Mysore. So thank you very much, sir. Our special thanks to Dr. Pankaj Dwivedi ji, who is the vital force, I say, behind planning, preparation, and effective conduct of these online trainings. Thank you very much, sir. Right from the registration to the valedictory program, your contribution to make this online course a grand success is really invaluable. I also extend my heartfelt thanks to Shri Gopalakrishna ji, who has been a motivating force at NLI Rangareddy and contributed a lot for the success of these online courses. Let me extend my deep sense of gratitude to all the resource persons who are, who could able to spare their valuable time with us and gave all of us an excellent opportunity to enrich our experiences during these training programs. Last but not least, I extend my thanks to all the participants for their active participation. And without their cooperation, these programs would have not been a grand success. Samiti, dear participants, Samiti expects you to bring about a change in the field of competency building education in regional languages during the interaction with resource persons and the way you conducted during online training. You all are really deserve to be applauded. As Pankaj has rightly said, that you have set up a new record of preparing 2,000 questions and more during 24 hours of time. So you are really very resourceful and have got potential to go for competency-based teaching. Now the training is over, but your work now starts. Though there are a lot of expectations from you, but the ground realities differ from JNV to JNV. Your success depends on how best are you going to mobilize your resources that are at your command to fill the gulf between the expectations and the ground realities. The more you fill the gulf, the more you would be effective in your endeavors. So you only can make a change because a teacher cannot be a teacher if he is not still learning, experiencing, and changing his or her strategy as per the needs and the demands of our stakeholders. Wish you best of luck. May God bless you. Thank you very much for providing me such an excellent opportunity to propose vote of thanks. So I once again extend my deep sense of gratitude to one and all for making these programs a grand success. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you for kind and encouraging words. And I would also like to thank all the teachers and who have been the most important part. They've been very patient. They've been very nice. And this program is a grand success only because of them only. So thank you to all of you. And this shall not be over. We'll be together. We'll be keep in touch, and we'll keep sharing our teaching, learning, and resources with one another over a long period of time. So thank you.